pocket prairies called Bryansburg. It's 1.4 acres. It is a native prairie, and it is also a location that we do monarch survey. So if you see people out here, me or Sandra, wandering around, we're probably counting milkweed plants and eggs and butterflies. But today we are talking about red-winged blackbirds, or birds in general, and one of their defense mechanisms. So if you guys can't hear me at any point, let me know. But our red-winged blackbird is doing what he needs to be doing right now. He's flying overhead, and he's been going back and forth between, and he'll hover over me and squawk at me. I don't think he's stopped talking since we've gotten out here. He's out here warning us that we shouldn't be out here, and letting us know that he can see us and he knows we're here. He's right now sitting up in that tree, chirping at us.
Mad at us.
He's very mad at us.
Oh, here comes the mama.
Oh, yep. There's mom came back. Now we're gonna have two of them.
She's really mad.
She's telling them off. She's telling them, why are you letting me out here? Oh, here he goes, Dad.
Oh man.
So why do you guys think he's doing that? Why do you guys think he's swooping over our head and chirping at us? And why do you think he doesn't want us out here? You guys think about that for a little bit, and if you have an idea and want to comment it, go right ahead. Is anybody commenting?
No, we have about right now.
Well, they're doing this as a defense mechanism because they're trying to protect their nest, which is in some oak trees. So I'll take you guys over there, show you guys that before we head out. You don't want to be out here too much and bother them many times because they're not happy. Their nest is right in this oak tree area. And we took a peek in it, and there's some little tiny baby birds in there.
Sorry. There we go. Oh, they said they're hungry.
Feed us, feed us. I count 4. So yeah, that is what Mom and Dad are defending right now.
The dad is right up on the top. It's bright out today. Sorry. I can't get it to on Zoom.
Oh no.
There we go. Okay.
All right. Michael, did I miss anything? Is there any questions that you can think of that I could answer that people might have?
I guess just to kind of note really quick, Bailey talked about it a little bit with Bryansburg. It is right next to Highway 150, but it's probably one of the best spots as far as we know, one of the best spots in our county